me and my friend Lynx are.
Welcome back to my channel. We're playing Wolfcast with my friend another Millennials.
Lynx on this old server that we used to play on as wolves, but acting like warrior cats. And we decided to test it out with some other characters.
This is a very old server that me and Chris ago, and we come back to it, but as different.
Yeah.
And so the series is based off of warrior
Cats. Okay, let's go to role playing. This was a really lucky find. Right, Frauleg?
Yeah, this was a very hard find.
Yeah. I'm starving. Let's try to eat while we can.
We're looking like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess I ate it all.
Yeah. Yeah.
I kind of want to explore. You want to come in?
Yeah, sure. Give me a second though. Hey, do you smell that? I'm gonna probably just talk and just say what she does because it's easier, by the way. It smells like wolf, but this is like it smells weird, like a wolf, but young.
Sorry.
It's so weird. Oh gosh, you scared the crap out of me. I thought you were a stranger wolf and I was about to attack you. Here, follow me.
Come in.
Duh. You just went flying!
I know. Look. But I can get this.
You're gonna die! Oi, you stop it. What the? I just saw you flying. Ooh, do you think that bison was from this herd? You think that bison was from this herd? Let's see how weak they are. Oh, that way. Run, run, run! They aren't that weak.
And I'm probably weaker than them.
Same. Much weaker. What was it? Full health. They get it. No, got it. I got it. Oh, darn it. You snatched it. We'll find another. We'll find another lucky hair. Yeah. Ugh. Huh? Yeah, I do.
Great.
I just realized I've been muted this whole time. Wait, what was I? It just says I'm muted, so I don't know. Ha, mine. Here, I smell a scent. This way. Oh, rabbit. Got another.
No. Ow.
I'm bringing it with us. Look at that boy we was from earlier. Hi, Fred. Ah, Fred's talking. Fred. Fred's talking. That boy. Fred. We're ridiculous. I get it? Hey, it's those big here. We can't hunt them though. We're already on full stomachs. I got energy. Wait up. Huh? Look, guys, is it? Look, is it? Yeah, is it? Pops. There's Pops.
Are they abandoned?
I don't know. Let's kick him out. We're friendly. Why are there so many? What? You. Very nice. They don't look that hungry.
Yeah. Maybe we should just leave them alone and put them back into the den. They probably have parents that will be pretty mad if they see us. With their pups.
Yeah. Here, say, we'll come back tomorrow, and if we don't see their parents, we'll. I don't know. You can take the hair. I'm not hungry. Come on.
I are anyway.
Come on. Let's go.
I smell
I smell elk.
my cover.
I smell elk.
I play carcass.
Do you hunt an elk?
I can, but you can give it a go.
I'm on low stamina though.
And I am on low health.
Same.
I think I smell a carcass.
Should we go to the carcass? Here, I'm gonna give it a try. Nope, you're not weak. Oh, this one's weak! Ow, can you watch my back?
Yeah.
Get it!
Okay. Maybe I can.
I don't think we can get it. I'm not that fast. Yeah. Let's just look for your carcass. Oh, wait. I got it!
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe this one.
We can do it. Here, can you try to distract her while I quick heal?
Yeah.
Oh, crap. Here, you quick heal while I distract her. But come back as quick as you can. Okay, I need your help. I'm out of energy. Can't do it later. I'm just mimic her.
Found your neck.
Here, I got her legs. Ouch, my leg.
Yeah. I don't think it's a good idea. But try and get it back.
Got her neck. Here, let's both take turns biting. Bite.
I need to get back. Right.
Come on, don't let her escape. We're so close.
Okay. Let's go.
After this, I want a long, nice nap. Ow. Got her butt. Go, get her!
Found her.
I got her.
Got her.
She's dead! Yes.
She's gone.
That was a bad choice. Hey, at least we improved her strength. Right? We're strong and independent. We are pups, we can defend for ourselves. Right? We're strong. We took down the elk. But it wasn't a bull. Here. All the siblings
Being able to take down this while being at low health, I think that's a pretty good accomplishment.
Thank you, Frail Legs. I think we should sleep here for now.
Yeah.
We'll go to the pups in the morning.
We can go take a look.
Yeah, because the parents would have probably been there by now, and in the morning they might want to stay with their pups for a little, right? Brother? Wait, no, not you're sorry. We're not brothers. I'm sorry about that. Just eat. I'm sorry, we're not brothers. Ow! Okay, we're fighting. They took bites out of my leg. You get that one, I'll get the other one. Okay, you're eating. Sorry that I called you brother. Is the other one dead?
they were far away.
I think they're gone. Hey, Philip. I had a weird dream about a she-wolf crossing a road with her pups, and then she got hit by a car or a monster. And the pups grew up.
That's kind of brutal. Why are you having dreams about that?
I don't know. But then I had another dream. A she-wolf abandoning her pups.
Are you saying that you think that the she-wolf was the pup's mother?
Yes, I don't know. I don't know why I'm having these dreams. We should just head to the pups now. I have a bad feeling.
Yeah.
It's getting me stressed out. Here, let's strengthen this territory a little.
I have a major injury on my jaw. I can't even carry. Eat.
I have a very hurt leg. I'm not limping, but it feels that bad. Pups, where are you? Pups,
Over here.
over there. I see them. Kids.
Parents still aren't here.
They would be.
Probably just leave.
Yeah, I don't place. This is scary. Will we have to take care of them if their parents don't come?
Probably there won't be anyone else to take care of them. If we don't,
We're gonna live with that guilt.
die of hunger, starvation, or maybe the weather. And maybe since they can't defend themselves, they'll be attacked by a predator and they'll die.
Yeah, and I don't want to live with that guilt. I don't know what their territory looks like. Yeah, I got our help, but I'm not leaving them alone to defend for themselves. They don't look that old. Just about a couple pounds and probably like maybe a couple months. I don't know.
They honestly look very skinny.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
How much they have to eat.
what is?
But I don't know if they eat enough. Maybe they'll. I think they'll probably have a couple of pounds.
Yeah. Here, you stay out here with the pups and play with them to make sure the affinity doesn't get that low, okay? Their den is infested by fleas.
They're probably going to have to change them.
Yeah. But there's no other dens here that aren't. This is the safest den. Here, how about
Some territory.
can I do it?
There's a den in the middle. That seems safe enough. It's just the territory isn't there.
Can I get it? The pups seem to like you much more.
Yeah.
They're not even playing with me. Here, pups, get closer to the den. They're getting way too far.
Maybe I shouldn't stay here though. I won't be able to pick up the pups and put them over if they wander far enough because
Here's
of my jaw injury.
How about we take turns? If they get too far, you move them in. I'm gonna get some territory, then I'll come back and then you can go. Okay? I just need to clear my mind. I'm gonna get the dead over here, okay? No, not the dead over here, the territory, yeah. Should I do this? I mean... Hey, Lex, we should mute ourselves so we can't hear what we're saying. Because we are far away. Okay? I don't know what to think of this. This is so stressful. And... like... why? Why did their mother abandon them? Like... why? Just... why did their mother abandon them? These kids did not deserve to be abandoned. Will Phil do good taking care of them? I'm not sure if I can handle such responsibility. So many thoughts going through my head. Maybe if I go back to the pups, I'll be okay. I'll make a decision. I don't want to do this, but I have to. I'll live with the guilt. I'm going to make him and the pups alone forever. I'm going to do this. That tree. What did it eat? Did the mother actually abandon them? I hate this. Stranger Bulbs! You're muted, by the way.
Come on.
They got to bed. I saw them. I thought they were here. They go. I can't.
Bad luck that they came.
My foot! But it was good luck that I came in time. Here, I have to stay with the pups. I can't run or fight. You have to go.
Okay. I'll go.
I have enough energy to take care of them, but I can't fight for them. But I can't run either. So I can, the best thing I can do is hold them down. Hey Okay, like, I think we should stop the recording here and then record again, okay?
I stopped it. I'm gonna record it in 3, 2,